Best RC plane. Looking for the best RC plane, for beginners, kids, or anyone who wants to have more fun in the air. In this video, we're checking out some of the best RC planes that combine easy controls, stable flight, durable designs, and exciting features. Whether you're just learning to fly or want an RC plane with cool stunt capabilities, there are plenty of great options to consider. So let's compare the top picks and find out which RC plane is the best choice for you. Number 5. Hawkswork 2CH RC Airplane. Color: red. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly RC airplane, the Hawkswork 2CH RC Airplane is designed to keep the learning curve fairly simple. It comes ready to fly with a 2.4 GHz remote, batteries, a USB charging cable, spare propellers, and the plane itself. One of its biggest advantages is the built-in self-stabilization system, which helps make the aircraft easier to control while learning. The lightweight foam construction is also designed to handle some minor crashes, which is useful for beginners. The controller provides 4-direction control, and the 2.4 GHz system allows multiple planes to operate without interfering with each other. Pros: self-stabilization helps beginners learn. Lightweight foam body is designed for minor crashes. Complete ready-to-fly package with spare propellers. Cons: intended for outdoor use rather than indoor flying. Flight still requires practice and learning. Weight and exact flight time are not officially specified. Specs and configurations. Model: Cessna/Z50. Size: 11.81 by 13.78 by 3.54 inches. Material: foam. Control: 2.4 GHz remote control. Batteries: two 3.7V 300 mAh lithium batteries included. Age: 8 years and above. Operation: remote control, outdoor use. Number 4. Hawkswork F-22 RC Glider. Color: multicolor. Weight: 450 g. The Hawkswork 2CH F-22 RC Glider is built with beginners in mind, especially kids who are just getting started with remote control airplanes. It comes ready to fly, so the package includes the plane, 2.4 GHz controller, 2 rechargeable 3.7V 300 mAh batteries, AA batteries, spare propellers, glue, and a USB charging cable. What makes this model approachable is its built-in self-stabilization system that helps keep the aircraft more stable while you're learning the basic controls. The lightweight foam construction is also designed to handle some minor crashes, which can be helpful when practicing. Its 2.4 GHz control system supports 4-direction movement and is designed to reduce interference when multiple planes are flying. Pros: self-stabilization makes learning easier. Durable foam construction helps with minor crashes. Ready-to-fly package includes useful accessories and spare parts. Cons: designed for outdoor use only. Beginners still need practice to master the controls. Exact flight time is not officially specified. Specs and configurations. Model: F-22/Model 822. Weight: 450 g. Size: 14.9 by 11 by 3.9 inches. Material: foam. Control: 2.4 GHz remote control. Batteries: two 3.7V 300 mAh lithium batteries included. Age: kid/beginner focused. Operation: remote control, outdoor use. Number 3. Hawkswork P-51D Mustang. Color: 3CH blue. The Hawkswork 3CH P-51D Mustang brings a classic warbird look to a beginner-friendly RC airplane. What makes this model interesting is the built-in 6-axis gyro stabilization, which is designed to help keep the plane steady while you learn the controls. It uses 3-channel control and offers 2 takeoff options. You can either hand launch it or use a taxiing takeoff, giving beginners a couple of ways to get into the air. The plane also features 2 brushed motors with high and low speed settings. According to the manufacturer, the 2 included rechargeable batteries provide around 40 minutes of total flight time, roughly 20 minutes per battery. The lightweight EPP foam construction is another practical feature for outdoor flying, especially when you're still learning. Pros: 6-axis gyro stabilization helps with flight control. 2 takeoff modes add flexibility for beginners. 2 batteries provide around 40 minutes of claimed total flight time. Cons: Flight time can vary depending on conditions and flying style. Outdoor use requires suitable space and conditions. Weight is not officially specified. Specs and configurations. Model, Z62. Subject, P51D Mustang. Color, 3CH blue. Channels, 3CH. Stabilization, 6-axis gyro. Motors, 2 brushed motors. Material, EPP foam. Size, 33 cm length times 38 cm wingspan times 11 cm height. Control, 2.4 GHz remote control. Takeoff, hand launch or taxiing. Use, outdoor. Number 2. Hawkswork 3CH Spitfire. Color, green. Weight, 59 g. If you like classic military aircraft, the Hawkswork 3CH Spitfire RC plane gives that iconic look while keeping the controls approachable for beginners. The standout feature here is the built-in 6-axis gyro stabilization, which is designed to make the aircraft more stable during flight. This model uses 3-channel control and gives you 2 different ways to take off. You can hand launch it or use a taxiing takeoff, depending on your preference and flying area. Under the hood, it has 2 brushed motors and comes with 2 rechargeable batteries. Hawkswork says each battery can provide around 20 minutes of flight, for roughly 40 minutes total. The lightweight EPP foam construction is another practical touch. It is designed for outdoor flying and can handle bumps better than a more fragile airframe. Pros. 6-axis gyro stabilization supports easier flight control. 2 takeoff methods give beginners more flexibility. 2 rechargeable batteries provide about 40 minutes of claimed total flight time. Cons. Actual battery life can vary with flying conditions. Outdoor flying requires enough open space. Lightweight construction may still require care during harder crashes. Specs and configurations. Model, Spitfire Fighter/EXA 762. Color, green. Channels, 3CH. Stabilization, 6-axis gyro. Motors, 2 brushed motors. Material, EPP foam. Weight, 59 g. Dimensions, 15.75 by 11.73 by 4.72 inches. Control, 2.4 GHz remote control. Takeoff, hand launch or taxiing. Use, outdoor. Number 1. SYMA X550 RC plane. Color, green. The SYMA X550 takes a different approach to beginner RC flying by combining a military-inspired design with a variety of stunt-focused controls. It's a 4-channel remote control aircraft with 1-key takeoff and landing, which can make getting started less intimidating. What really separates the X550 is its stunt capability. It can perform moves including 360-degree flips, spins, circular routes, climbing spins, and jump-style maneuvers. There are also 2 speed settings, so beginners can start at a lower speed before moving up when they become more comfortable. The manufacturer also says it can be used indoors for practice or outdoors in calm, low-wind conditions. The rechargeable battery keeps the setup simple, although the exact flight time isn't officially specified in the provided information. Pros. Multiple stunt modes offer plenty of variety. 1-key takeoff and landing are beginner-friendly. 2 speed settings allow easier progression. Cons. Exact flight time is not officially specified. Outdoor flying is best suited to calm, low-wind conditions. Plastic construction may require extra care during harder impacts. Specs and configurations. Model, X550. Color, green. Control, 4-channel remote control. Connectivity, radio frequency. Battery, rechargeable lithium-ion. Material, plastic. Speed modes, high and low. Special features, stunt flight, 1-key takeoff and landing. Use, indoor practice or calm outdoor flying.